Hello everyone, this is Yana, the sales manager from Comedical Zhengzhou. This week, I'm at LONKING factory to introduce the reliable 8-ton excavator, LONKING LG6080. So let's have a look about it. As a top 50 global construction machinery company, LONKING delivers dependable and efficient performance. This 8-ton excavator performs well in construction, earthmoving, road building, and various projects. This excavator weighs 8 tons with a bucket about 0.3 cubic meters. Powered by the Yanmar engine, and it has the high performance and good quality. It saves fuel and ensures high efficiency. The stable hydraulic system offers smooth and precise control. The Spacious cab features great visibility, shock absorption, and a comfortable seat. This excavator have LED lights and reverse alarm ensure safe operation day and night. It is durable, easy to maintain, and widely popular in many markets. Okay, this is a brief introduction of this excavator. If you are interested, want to learn more about this, feel free to contact us. We provide professional and responsive service.